Hey, it's Codevember. Today we're making a sampler keyboard with AudioKit. Let's get started. Hello. Many times when I see people playing back samples, they use an audio player. This works, but the functionality is limited. My solution in this example is to dynamically create an AU preset file to load into Apple Sampler. This is just a proof of concept, as handling inputs, storing samples, and tapping into more parameters of the AU preset would take additional configuration. All that aside, it's still really cool, and a great starting point for creating your own sampler keyboard. And that's it. Get the code for this and all the Codevember examples over on GitHub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.